Hi. So if you've been looking for an inexpensive, easy to use, good quality autofocus prime lens for your Sony APS-C camera, this might be exactly what you're looking for. This is the 7 Artisan 27mm f2.8. It has pretty smooth autofocus. The build quality is mostly metal. There is some plastic, but that does help to make this very lightweight. And because it's lightweight, it's not going to imbalance your smaller APS-C camera. For autofocusing, it doesn't do a lot of hunting or focus breathing. The chromatic aberration is well contained. It does give a good image. As with most lenses, in particular budget lenses, it is sharpest in the center and does get softer to the corners, but it's not terrible. It's very acceptable, very usable, and unless you're pixel peeping, you probably won't even notice it. It is a very good lens. For a small, inexpensive lens, the bokeh is pretty good as well. It doesn't give you as great a bokeh as some more expensive lenses, or lenses that may be a lower f value, but it is pretty good for what you're paying. Vignetting will be visible in the corners when it's wide open, but I personally like a little vignette to help focus on my subject. So I don't look at that as a detractor. Now, lens flaring is a little strong, and it might be a little too strong for some people, but it can be contained, and in post you can work with that a little bit. Minimum focus distance is around 30 centimeters, so you can get pretty close to your subjects and get a good quality image. So let's go back over this. The pros of this lens, and we haven't even discussed price yet, that's going to be a major pro. It's very compact and lightweight, giving good balance on a Sony APS-C camera. It has a good solid metal build with a smooth focus ring. It has a USB-C port for easy firmware updates. It's sharp in the center when wide open. Again, it does get a little soft in the corners, a little vignetting, but it's not terrible. The color it gives is very good, and the bokeh is very good. It has quiet, competent, smooth autofocus. Now some of the cons. There is noticeable barrel distortion and vignetting in the corners. Again, this can be treated in post and cleaned up, and it's not hard to do. It is only an f2.8, so you don't get that dramatic blur or separation that you would with a lower f-value lens. The video autofocus is pretty good. However, that may vary depending upon the age of your Sony body. The older ones it may not be quite as good with. Your newer APS-C cameras, especially the A6700 or the ZV-E10 or ZV-E10 Mark II, it'll be great. So the final verdict, this 7 Artisan's 27mm f2.8 is a surprisingly capable little prime that delivers sharp, modern images and reliable autofocus at a very low price. If you're looking for an inexpensive, everyday lens that keeps your setup small, but still delivers good image quality, this one is definitely worth a look. This is currently listing on Amazon for about $103. Now for $103, I think you saw from the pictures, that's a pretty good deal. There will be an affiliate link down below for this and other items that I may have. If you do consider looking at these, please consider using one of the links because it does help out the channel, no additional cost to you. If you found some value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing and sharing with your friends. I'd like to continue to grow the channel and see where we can go with this. And drop a comment and tell me what budget lens have you also considered. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Again, let's not start this, just turn off the camera.